So, when should you cut your hair? A professional will say that you should at least get a trim every 4 weeks. 4 to 6 weeks, you should get a trim. At least half an inch. To get a dead end and to make sure your hair is healthy. But not every woman has the time to do so. And not every woman is able to do this financially, especially 4 to 6 weeks. No longer able to take care of your hair. It is too much work for you. And even know that you may like the length of your hair, if your hair is dry, if your hair is thin, this is the time that you need to think about cutting your hair. You want to look at your hair density. So what is the hair density? Density is the thickness of your hair. The thickness. Your hair starts from the roots all the way to the end. If your hair has a good density, then it's okay for you to keep your length. Hello, Chantal Ponce here. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed as much as I have enjoyed creating this video just for you. Please do not forget to subscribe and get a trim. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.